Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic, the foods that are secretly harming our brains. From memory issues to cognitive decline, the foods we consume can have a profound impact on our mental faculties. So, grab a healthy snack, sit back, and let's uncover the hidden dangers lurking in our kitchens. Let's start with sugar. High sugar consumption has been linked to impaired cognitive function and memory problems. Studies show that a diet high in sugar can reduce the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, essential for learning and memory. Excessive sugar can lead to insulin resistance in the brain, causing brain fog and mental sluggishness. Moreover, high sugar levels can cause inflammation in the brain, exacerbating cognitive decline. Many processed foods, beverages, and even seemingly healthy snacks contain added sugars. Reading labels and choosing whole, unprocessed foods can help reduce our sugar intake. When sugar is metabolized, it produces harmful substances called advanced glycation end products, AGEs. These AGEs can damage brain cells and contribute to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation, and focus on consuming fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Reducing sugar in your diet is one of the best things you can do for your brain. Trans fats are another culprit when it comes to brain health. These unhealthy fats are commonly found in fried foods, baked goods, and processed snacks. Consuming trans fats can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, linked to cognitive decline. Research shows that high intake of trans fats can negatively affect memory and cognitive function. Trans fats can interfere with the brain's ability to communicate and process information effectively. They can alter the composition of cell membranes, making them less fluid and less capable of functioning properly. Avoiding trans fats is crucial for maintaining brain health. Check the labels of packaged foods for partially hydrogenated oils, a major source of trans fats. Instead, opt for healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Limit the consumption of fast food and fried foods, as these are often high in trans fats. Preparing meals at home using whole, unprocessed ingredients can help you control the quality of fats in your diet. By choosing healthy fats and avoiding trans fats, you can support your brain health and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Artificial sweeteners may seem like a healthier alternative to sugar, but they come with their own set of risks. These sugar substitutes are commonly found in diet sodas, sugar-free snacks, and low-calorie products. Aspartame, a common artificial sweetener, has been linked to headaches, mood swings, and even depression. This is because aspartame can affect the levels of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and cognition. Additionally, some studies suggest that artificial sweeteners can alter the gut-brain axis. Consuming artificial sweeteners may lead to changes in gut bacteria, which can negatively affect brain health. People may consume larger quantities of diet foods and beverages, thinking they are making healthier choices. Instead of relying on artificial sweeteners, consider natural alternatives like stevia or monk fruit extract. Reducing overall sugar intake and retraining your taste buds to enjoy less sweet foods can benefit your brain health. By making informed choices and avoiding artificial sweeteners, you can support your cognitive function and overall well-being. It's a small change that can make a big difference in the long run. Remember, what you eat has a direct impact on your brain. Alcohol is a well-known factor in brain health, and excessive consumption can have serious consequences. Heavy and chronic alcohol use can lead to brain damage and cognitive decline. Alcohol affects the brain in multiple ways, impacting brain cells and neurotransmitter balance. It passes through the blood-brain barrier, disrupting neurotransmitter balance. Excessive consumption can cause brain tissue shrinkage, affecting memory and learning. Reducing alcohol can benefit your brain. Opt for moderation or alcohol-free alternatives. Highly processed foods are a staple in many diets, but they come with significant risks to brain health. These foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives, which can negatively impact cognitive function. One of the main concerns with highly processed foods is their impact on inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in the development of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Processed foods can trigger inflammatory responses in the body, leading to damage to brain cells. Additionally, highly processed foods are often low in essential nutrients that support brain health. whole, unprocessed foods provide the nutrients your brain needs to function optimally. Another issue with highly processed foods is their potential to disrupt the gut-brain axis. Consuming whole, unprocessed foods can support a healthy gut microbiome and improve cognitive function. Making the switch to a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods can have significant benefits for your brain. Focus on consuming fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats to support cognitive function. Your brain will thank you for it. Salt is an essential nutrient, but consuming too much can have serious consequences for brain health. High sodium intake has been linked to increased blood pressure, which can negatively impact brain function. Elevated blood pressure can damage blood vessels in the brain, leading to reduced blood flow and oxygen supply. This can result in cognitive impairments and increase the risk of stroke and other brain-related conditions. Additionally, high salt intake can lead to inflammation in the brain. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in the development of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Reducing salt intake can help lower inflammation and protect brain health. Many processed and packaged foods contain high levels of sodium. Reading labels and choosing low-sodium options can help reduce your salt consumption. Experiment with herbs, spices, and other natural seasonings to enhance the taste of your meals without relying on salt. By being mindful of your salt intake and making healthier choices, you can support your brain health. It's a small change that can have a big impact on your overall well-being. Refined carbohydrates, such as white bread, pasta, and sugary cereals, can have negative effects on brain health. These carbs are quickly broken down into glucose, leading to rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. Rapid spikes in blood sugar can lead to insulin resistance, linked to cognitive decline and an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for brain health. Additionally, refined carbohydrates often lack essential nutrients that support cognitive function. Whole grains provide important vitamins, minerals, and fiber that support cognitive function. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in the development of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. Choosing whole, unprocessed foods can help reduce inflammation and protect brain health. Opting for whole grains and fiber-rich foods can support a healthy gut microbiome and improve brain health. Focus on incorporating foods like quinoa, brown rice, oats, and whole grain bread into your diet. By choosing whole, unprocessed foods and avoiding refined carbohydrates, you can support your cognitive function. It's a small change that can make a big difference in the long run. Fried foods are a popular indulgence, but they come with significant risks to brain health. These foods are often high in unhealthy fats and can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. One of the main concerns with fried foods is their high content of trans fats. Consuming fried foods regularly can increase the risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. Additionally, fried foods can contribute to inflammation in the brain. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in the development of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Another issue with fried foods is their potential to produce harmful substances called advanced glycation end products, AGEs. Limiting the consumption of fried foods can reduce your exposure to AGEs and support brain health. Choosing healthier cooking methods such as baking, grilling, or steaming can help preserve the nutrients in your food. Making the switch from fried foods to healthier alternatives can have significant benefits for your brain. Focus on incorporating nutrient-dense, whole foods into your diet to support cognitive function. By being mindful of your fried food intake and making healthier choices, you can support your brain health. Fish is often considered healthy, but some types can contain high levels of mercury, harmful to brain health. Mercury is a neurotoxin that can damage brain cells and impair cognitive function. Reducing high mercury fish intake can lower exposure to these harmful effects. Fish higher in the food chain, like shark and swordfish, have more mercury. Opt for fish lower in mercury, such as salmon, sardines, and trout. Choose fish low in mercury and rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Monosodium glutamate, MSG, is a common food additive used to enhance flavor, but it can have negative effects on brain health. MSG is often found in processed foods, fast foods, and restaurant meals. One of the main concerns with MSG is its potential to cause neurotoxicity. MSG can overstimulate nerve cells, leading to a condition known as excitotoxicity. Understanding the impact of MSG can help you make healthier dietary choices.